If you want to install Dynamic Island on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we're gonna open the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the Dynamic Island. So in my case I'm gonna just go to search and let's write the name of the app. In my case I'm gonna use Dynamic Spot, but you can just write Dynamic Island in order to find a couple of different apps that work in a similar way. However, in my case, I'm just gonna download this one and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So once you install it, just open it, and soon after that you should have the configuration. So let's press next. First we need to press select apps in order to choose apps that will be working with the Dynamic Island, meaning that if you receive a notification from the selected app, then it will be displayed in the Dynamic Island. So over here we can tap all in the top right corner. You can also choose one by tapping on these switches. Now let's go back. Now we need to grant notification access. So let's tap over here, choose Dynamic Spot and allow notification access, and then press allow. Now press draw on screen, press allow, and then once again tap on the draw on screen in order to go next. After that, go to Dynamic Spot and just turn it on. Press allow, and there we go. Now we can press done. If you see this Pro offer, we can tap on X in the top right corner in order to close it. And there we go. Over here we can just easily enable and disable those notifications from the Dynamic Island. We can also go to position in order to take a look at the Dynamic Island. And of course, in this case, we can also change the size and position of the Dynamic Island, because in this case, as you can see, it is a little bit off. So we can make it a little bit wider, and let's maybe not make it as big, but let's say like 5 pixels is fine. And we can also change the vertical position so that it matches the camera cutout over here. I think something like this looks just fine. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!